Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all, students? I hope all of you are fine. So firstly, recite a dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase me in knowledge. Now, what we are going to do today? So students, today we are going to solve the riddles. So, it's time for what is that thing? I have some riddles for you. So you have to solve it. Can I start? Okay. So the first, what thing is very long? It goes fast and you can sit in it. A thing is very long, it goes fast and you can sit in it. So what is it? Is it a car? No. A bus? It's not very long. A train? Yes, it is a very long and fast train. Good. Now the next. What thing is in the sky but it is not flying? You can see it in the day but you can't see at night. It is very big and very hot. So what it can be? Is it a cloud? Maybe not. A moon. But you can't see it at the day. Yes, it is a sun. It's a big and very hot sun. Good. So the next is, what thing do you throw but don't catch because it is dirty and stinker? What is it? You can throw but don't catch. And it is also dirty and stinker. Is it the ball? The ball is not dirty. Or a basket? No. It is a dirty and stinky garbage. So, what will be the next? What animal is small but it is not very cute? It has a shell and it is very slow. So, what is that animal? A small animal and very slow. Is it a turtle? No. A mouse. But it has no shell. It is a snail. Yes, it is small and very slow snail. Good, excellent, mashallah. You have solved all riddles. So, we have collected the words from the riddles. And what are they? The words are train, which is long and fast. The sun, which is big and hot. And garbage, which is dirty and stinky. And snail, which is small and very slow. So, the train, sun, garbage and snail are Noun. So students, what are the describing words? You have any idea? No? So, the words that describe or tell us more about naming words. And what are the naming words? Like name of a person, place, animal or thing. And what we call them? Noun. So, we call the describing words as adjective. So, what we call it? Adjective. And it tells us about a noun. It tells us what a color is, like white, green, yellow. It also tells us the size of a thing, like little, big, small. It tells us about the numbers, that how many numbers are there. And it also tells us about how something feels, like sharp, soft, hard, and how a noun looks, like beautiful, ugly, good, bad, and how something sounds. It also tells us about the sounds, like loud, pretty, soft, quiet, and how something behaves, like well, madly, graceful, silly. So, these all things described by adjective. Now, open workbook. So, in previous day, we learned about noun and verb. And today, we have done our adjective activity. So, have you enjoyed the activity? And now we will do adjective workbook page number 29. Okay, so now open page number 29 on. Firstly, mention the date and day. So today our topic is adjective. And what is an adjective? Adjective tell us something about a person or a thing, as a fat cat, a long snake. Here, fat is adjective. It describing the noun cat. Cat is a noun. And a long snake, here is long is also adjective, and it tells us about the snake, which is noun. So students, find the adjectives and write them in the boxes. आपने इस पैराग्राफ में से एडजेक्टिव फाइंड आउट करने हैं और इन ब्लैंक्स में नीचे जो बॉक्सेस दिए गए हैं इनको फिल करना है एडजेक्टिव के साथ. ओके, लेट्स रीड द पैराग्राफ एंड फाइंड आउट द एडजेक्टिव्स. I like my big bedroom. I share it with my elder brother. We have blue toy box and a fast computer. There are 2 small desks where we do our homework. My brother has got a red bed that looks like a racing car. My bed is tall. I need to climb a ladder to get on it. So, I read the paragraph and tell me what are the adjectives in this paragraph. In the first sentence, I like my big bedroom. So big is the adjective. So we write the first adjective in the first box. Now in the next line, find out, is it a brother? Share? Not. Elder. Elder is an adjective. Write down in the next box. We have blue toy box and a fast computer. Box is the adjective. Toy. No. Blue. Blue describing the toy. Blue is an adjective. And a fast computer. Fast is also describing computer. So we write in the next box is blue. Find the next adjective in the next line. There are two small desks where we do our homework. So here, what is the adjective? Small, because it is describing the desks. So we will write small. My brother has got a red bed. And red is also the adjective. Good. That looks like a racing car. And my bed is tall. I need to climb a ladder to get on it. So where is the adjective? Tall. Tall is adjective. It is describing the size of bed. Good. So what is the next? Describe these pictures using adjective. आपने इन पिक्चर्स को एडजेक्टिव यूज़ करके डिस्क्राइब करना है, ठीक है? सो द फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज carrots. Describe it, how it looks, and what is the color of carrots? Yes, red. So red is the adjective. Red carrots. We will write here red carrots. So the next picture is a toy. So how can we describe it? So how it looks? It is a small toy. So we will write here small toy. The next picture is of a tree. So what it looks? It looks like a strong and big tree. So we will write here big tree. So students, now fill the other three blanks by describing the adjectives of these pictures. Okay? Now take care of yourself. Stay safe and sound. Fi amanillah.